Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video in this channel. Now, I have to apologize. So today is Sunday and we had a family meeting and it went a little bit over time. Like I wasn't expecting it to go like so long, but we were having a great time. So yeah, I know I promised a Lighthouse video today. Unfortunately, I don't have time to record because it's really late over here and I need to go back to my family, of course. So hope you guys understand. I know you guys are very patient. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the December calendar. Since December is gonna be starting in the middle of the week, I didn't want to interrupt like the flow of the week with like a calendar video. So just a quick overview of how things are gonna go. Okay, so here we go. Um, we start December on Wednesday, it's December the 1st, and there's a couple of special things that I have prepared for you. Of course, we have our portfolio review. So, for all of you guys who have been submitting, I get the pings in the email saying that someone's trying to access the folder that's on the other links. Those links, remember, the links will be inactive until we hit this kind of weeks in which we're going to be activating it. So, starting today, the links are now open again, and you guys are going to be able to submit your work for me to review. You can submit a file with your like ArtStation link. You can submit your like actual renders. You can submit C files like C tools or Maya files, and I'll be happy to take a look. Okay, so submissions are going to be open. You guys know that we go like in order of submission. So the sooner you submit, the sooner you'll get a feature on the portfolio. We're going to have that for Saturday and Sunday, depending of course on how many submissions we get. Now on Sunday the 5th, someone commented a couple of videos ago that it's Walt Disney's birthday. So he was born on December the 5th. So since we have our creative review, we're going to move that one to Monday, and we're going to be doing a small fan art for Disney on that day. We're going to continue with the Lighthouse. We're continue with like cool news about the industry, cool news about tools and stuff. Like, we kind of keep it like buried every now and then. But yes, that's the general review. Then on the 17th and on the 18th, sorry, I messed up here. This one's actually, oh, this one's actually over here. There we go. So on the 18th and the 19th, we're gonna have our another portfolio review. So if you don't have anything to show for this first week, or you don't want to show anything just yet because you're not done or whatever, just wait until mid December, and we'll have another portfolio review. And I'll be happy to again give you my feedback, give some tips, tricks, and techniques that you might be able to implement on your work so that you can improve. Then comes this special thing. So on the 24th and 25th, of course, that's Christmas. We do celebrate Christmas over here. My family is a big celebrator of Christmas. So we are gonna have, or I'm actually gonna be probably out of town for those a couple of days. So I thought about like what to do, and I think the best thing is I'm gonna prepare a small gift for you guys. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like working on something else or not working, like being with your families and stuff. So I'm gonna pre-record the videos for the 24th, 25th, and 26th. It's gonna be a mini project, okay? So we're gonna have a mini Christmas project for those days, which is gonna be fun. And then we're gonna have something similar on a New Year's. Now on New Year's, I'm also gonna pre-record a mini project for New Year, which is also gonna take a little bit of a January, of course. But before that, I want to make sure that we have a live stream before we finish the what's the word the year, because I would like to interact with you guys. So I know that we have people from like all over the world. We have people who are in India, people who are here in America and like United States, Mexico, in Europe. So there's people all over the world. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have two live streams. I'm probably gonna have those on the 29th. Okay, so it's still like let's call this live. It's still on a work in progress kind of thing. Like we're still not sure if this is gonna be it, but I wanna have it probably on the 29th so that we have enough time to prepare everything. And we're probably gonna have one at 12 p.m. India time. So right in the middle of the day, hopefully you guys are gonna be able to stream and like interact with me and ask questions or whatever. It's just have a good time. It's just a conversation. I'm probably gonna prepare something to show, of course, but I just want to meet you guys and listen to your feedback. And then we're gonna have one at 12 p.m. But that's gonna be Pacific daytime. Okay, so that will be like 2 p.m. for me. So I'm gonna stay late to be with you guys because at that point for India it's gonna be like 12:30 in the morning for me. But that's fine. I'll still late just a couple of hours or maybe like probably a couple of hours might be a little bit too much, but probably like an hour just to talk and see how things go. And then we'll have another one in the morning. So if you guys want to be on both of them, then feel free to join us. But I want to have like that small little present for you guys so that we can close the year with a very nice effect. Can you believe that we've been doing this for 5 months, like 5 straight months of just getting to know each other, learning about 3D, and just like enjoying the ride. So thank you everyone who has been for a long in the ride for as long as we've been right now. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome, and hopefully you have a great time. Now, there's still a lot of dates. As you can see here, we have a lot of like other like empty spaces. I don't think we're gonna be using those for the Lighthouse. Like the Lighthouse is a great series. You guys are really liking it, and there's good feedback. But I don't think we're gonna be using it. So we're probably gonna have some videos from Alejandro as well. And if there's a special date in this like days in December that you guys want or would like to have like a special session for, let us know in the comments. Let us know here in the comments, and I'll be happy to update this calendar. I'm actually gonna save this calendar right now because last time I forgot to save it. So let's save it right here. Let's call this December calendar. And if you guys have any suggestions, then I'm all ears. Also, remember our ZBrush course, our ZBrush hard surface course is ready to be released. You'll probably be hearing about that one from us in the next couple of days. I'll probably do one video once it's out so that you guys can see a little bit of what's in there. And yeah, so make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell so you get the notifications. And that's it for me, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.